Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. As you can see, we are on Trabant 601, I mean 1970 Trabant 601. As you can see, I want to show you the ignition system of the engine of Trabant. The engine is 2-stroke, 2-cylinder, 600 cc, 26 horsepower. 26 horsepower engine with a 4-speed transmission with freewheel on the 4th gear. So this is the in Czech language it's called kladívka, but this is the just contact breakers of the ignition system, and I can show you how it works, and if you want you can hear or you can see the live sparks. So this is the original service lamp, 6-volt, because this car has 6-volt ignition or electric system. So let's take the key on. Smoke house, neutral, and we'll turn off the light. You can hear it. I think it's always okay. Nice spot. Maybe it's time to change these condensators because it's sparking too much. Alright, so I'm going to take a test drive and I believe it's done. Thank you for watching my video, appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next videos. Bye.